Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I stretch my natural hair without using heat. So of course you're going to be needing a few things. So the first thing that you need is an afro comb, the second thing that you need is hair ties, and the third thing that you need is oil. So I'm going to be parting my hair into 4 different sections and then start working on them. So after parting my hair, I'm going to go in with this leave-in conditioner by the Cream of Nature. And the reason why I'm using a leave-in conditioner is because I had just washed my hair and my hair was dry. And I don't like stretching my hair when my hair is dry. It is very easy for me to manipulate my hair when it's wet. So after that, I'm going to take my coconut oil and my flaxseed oil and then apply it on my hair. And then stretch my hair with the afro comb and then take the hair tie and then put the hair tie onto the mini section that I had, that I'm working on, and then start doing matutas, like start doing tatu. So it is as simple as that. I'm going to be repeating the same process towards the rest of my head. So this is the next day, and I'm going to take a very tiny bit of the coconut oil, rub it on my hands, and then start unraveling the matutas. The reason why I used coconut oil is because I just want an easy takedown. So once I'm done unraveling the matutas, I'm going to take my afro comb and then start combing from the ends to the roots, and then once that is done, I'm going to put that section away, because if you don't like twist it, it's going to shrink again, because this is natural hair, and natural hair and shrinkage are like sisters. They're like husband and wife, they're like married. Yeah, so I'm going to be putting that section away so that it doesn't like curl up again, yeah, or shrink again. And I'm also going to be working on the other sections of the hair, and I'm going to be repeating the same process. Just take a little bit of coconut oil and then unravel the matuta, then go in with my comb, start combing from the ends to the roots, and then put that section away and then work on another one. So basically I'm going to be repeating the rest of the remaining matutas. I'm going to be doing the same thing to the rest of the remaining matutas, and then I'll be back and show you how my hair looks when it's stretched. So this is the amount of hair that I've lost, and I am really impressed because sometimes I lose a lot of hair. Yeah, so this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this video and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, you turn on your post notifications so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, guys, bye.